Today, we're going to take a look at our levels of service, and to do so, we're going to use the Zoom pricing page at zoom.us/pricing. Note here, you can choose to have the amount as monthly or annually, and here you can change your currency. But what we really want to look at today are the different levels of service. Here we have the basic level of service. This is the free account. With a basic license, you can host a meeting up to 100 participants. So that's you, the host, plus 99 participants. If the meeting is a one-on-one meeting, you, the host, plus one other person, then there won't be a time limit on the meeting due to the number of people in that session. However, if you have a group meeting, so 3 or more total participants, then that meeting is limited to a 40-minute maximum. At the 40-minute mark, the session is ended, but you can always launch another meeting and get your guests invited back in. And note that the host of the session will receive a 10-minute warning at the 30-minute mark. The next level of service is the pro level. Okay, so this is the paid license type. With a pro license, you can also host a meeting up to 100 participants. But with the pro license, regardless of how many people you have in your meeting, there is no duration limit. So if you wanted to host a meeting with 99 other people for 9 hours straight, you absolutely can. But note that a meeting will have a maximum duration of 24 hours. There are some additional features that are available to those on the paid license, such as cloud recording, the ability to stream, and so forth. Now, if you have a minimum of 10 licenses, you are eligible for a business account. Well, those on a business account, you will have up to 300 participants in your Zoom meeting, and you can support additional options to manage your account, such as single sign-on, as we see here, recording transcripts, manage domains, branding, and so forth. And then if you have 100 licenses, you're eligible for the enterprise plan. That automatically gives you the large meeting 500. You have unlimited cloud storage, a dedicated customer success manager, transcription, and so forth. Now, one of the common questions is, what about the education accounts? And the education accounts are equivalent to the business accounts. So throughout the courses, you'll hear for business accounts and higher, and the education accounts are included in that. So business, education, and enterprise. Now, one other thing to note is the large meeting add-on. You have the ability to increase your meeting capacity to either 500 or 1,000 participants in the meeting. This is an additional add-on, so it's going to have a per month charge for it and can only be assigned or purchased by those on the paid pro license. If you're on basic, you are not eligible for the large meeting add-on. The other thing that I want to point out here, because it's actually relatively new, is the full plan comparison. So you can click on that plus sign. I would recommend doing so because it actually provides a really handy reference here to show the differences between basic, pro, business, and enterprise. And so you can scroll down here and you'll see what is supported, what is available per license. And we can see here, for example, a meeting scheduler or scheduling privileges, not on the basic, but pro has it. So again, really, really good resource here to kind of get a general idea of, is this available for those on basic, pro, or business? And that concludes our levels of service.